Now we are going to see an easiest way to multiply 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. If you practice this method, you can do any kind of multiplication within 10 seconds. So let us see. First, let me take a 2-digit multiplication. We are going to multiply 42 and 26. The first step is we are going to multiply the number in the units digit. So in the units digit we have 2 and 6. So if we multiply 2 and 6, we will get 12. Let me write that over here. Now just write 2 here, and the 1 in the tens digit will be carry over to the next step. So in the second step, we are going to cross multiply numbers in the units digit and in the tens digit. So we are going to multiply 2 and 2 and 4 and 6. We already have this 2 over here from the previous step. Now multiply 4 and 6 will give 24. 2 and 2 will give 4. Already we have 1 from the previous step. So if we add that, we'll get 29. So write this 9 over here and keep this 2 in the tens place to the next step. So in the final step, we are going to multiply the numbers in the tens digit. So in the tens digit, we have 4 and 2. If we multiply this 4 and 2, we will get 8 plus 2 from the previous step. So 8 plus 2, we will get 10. So just write this 10 directly before this 2 number. This 9 and 2 came from the previous step. So that's it. Only 3 simple steps to multiply any 2-digit numbers. Simple, isn't it? Let us do another problem. In this, we are going to multiply 25 and 82. So our first step will be to multiply numbers in the units digit. So in the units digit, we have 5 and 2. We will get 10. So just write this 0 over here and take this 1 to the next step. In the next step, we are going to cross multiply 2 and 2 and 5 and 8. 2 and 2 will give 4, 5 and 8 gives 40. So already we have this 1 from the previous step, so we'll get 45. Just write this 5 over here, this 0 came from the previous step, and take this 4 to the next step. So in the final step, we are going to multiply numbers in the tens digit. So now we are going to multiply 2 and 8. 2 and 8 will give 16. We already have 4 from the previous step, so we get 20. Just write this 50 from the previous step and write this 20 just before this number. So our answer will be 2050. Simple, right? So let me just write the steps alone, steps needed to multiply 2-digit number. Step 1, multiply numbers in the units digit. Cross multiply numbers in the units digit and in the tens digit, like x. And in the third step, we should multiply numbers in the tens digit. And in all these steps, we should only keep the number from the units digit, and the tens digit number should be carried over to the next step until you reach the final step. So if you follow these 3 simple steps, you can do any kind of 2-digit multiplication. So now let us see 3-digit multiplication. In this, we are going to multiply 483 and 562. The first step is same. We are going to multiply numbers in the units digit. So in the units digit, we have 3 and 2. So this will give 6. Let me write 6 right over here. We have no carryovers because we have no number in the tens place. So let me write this 6 here. And in the second step, we are going to multiply numbers in the units digit and in the tens digit. So it goes this way: 2 and 8, once again 2 and 8, 6 and 3. 2 and 8 will give 16, 6 and 3 will give 18. So if we add that up, we get 34. So let me write this 4 over here, and we are taking this 3 carry over to the next step. So in the third step, now look carefully. In the third step, we are going to multiply this 2 and 4, this 5 and 3, and this 8 and 6. We are going to multiply all the numbers from the units digit, tens digit, and hundredth digit. So let me multiply 2 and 4 will give 8, 3 and 5 will give 15, and 6 and 8 will give 48. We already have 3 from the previous step. So if we add that up, we will get 74. We already have this 4 and 6 from the previous step. So let me write 4 just before this. And we are taking this 7 carry over to the next step. So in the next step, we are going to multiply numbers in the tens digit and in the hundredth digit. So if we multiply 6 and 4, we'll get 24. And if we multiply 5 and 8, we'll get 40, and we already have 7 from the previous step. So if we add that up, we'll get 71. So we already have 4, 4, 6, and let me write this 1 before this number. And we are keeping the 7 to the last step. In the last step, we are going to multiply the numbers in the 100th digit. So if we multiply 4 and 5, we will get 20. We already have 7 from the previous number. So total 27. We already have this 1, 4, 4, 6 here. So just write this 27 right before this number. So answer will be 271446. So that's it. We have totally 5 steps to do any kind of 3-digit multiplication. Let me write the steps over here. First step, multiply numbers in the units digit. Second step, multiply, which means cross multiply numbers in the units digit and in the tens digit. In the third step, we are going to cross multiply numbers in the units, tens, and in the 100th digits. In the fourth step, we are going to multiply numbers in the units digit and in the 100th digit. In the final step, we are going to multiply numbers in the 100th digit. If you look at the steps, you can actually observe some kind of patterns. In the 2-digit multiplication, in the first step, we had one product. In the second step, we had two products plus this carryover. I'm not taking this carryover under consideration. We get two products at multiplication. In the third step, we get one product. So this pattern goes like this: 1, 2, and 1, which means the number of products which you should get in each and every step. You can just remember this as a thumb rule. So if you look at this 3-digit multiplication, in the first step you will get one product, in the second step you will get 2, in the third you will get 3, and in the fourth again 2, and in the fifth 1. So it goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So you can just remember this as a thumb rule to easily memorize the steps. And we have special cases for the multiplication of numbers between 90 and 109. For 2-digit multiplication, if the number is between 90 and 99, this multiplication is going to be extremely simple. Let me tell you a shortcut. In the first step, you have to subtract this number from 100. So 100 minus 93 will give you 7. 100 minus 97 will give you 3. So in the second step, we are going to multiply these two numbers. So 3 and 7 will give 21. So just write 21 directly. There is no carryover in this case. Just write 21. And in the last step, we are going to subtract. So in the last step, we are going to subtract these two numbers, this 93 and this 3. So 93 minus 3 will give you 90. So just write 90 before this 21. So 9021 will be our answer. So if the numbers are between 100 and 109, the steps are going to be almost same except the last step. In the last step, instead of doing the subtraction, we are going to do addition. Let us do this. The first step is same. Just subtract these numbers from 100. If you subtract 103 from 100, we'll get 3. If you subtract 104 from 100, we'll get 4. Just multiply these two numbers. 3 and 4 will give 12. Just write 12 right over here. And then in the last step, instead of doing subtraction, just add this 103 over 4 in the cross way. Or you can do it either way. You can add this 104 and 3. But you should not do both at the same time. You should do only one thing, either the top one or the bottom one. So in this case, I'm choosing this 103. 103 adding with 4 will give 107. Just write this 107 right before this 12. So our answer will be 10712. If this does not blow your mind, then you do not have any emotion.